Yeah. Yeah, we did. We did.
Is it ours though?
No.
Ah, okay. You're here?
What's good, guys? We're back.
Yeah.
Brosefiles in the building. I know
It's been a while.
It's been a while, man. Yeah, man. What the? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. I know we've been kind of incognito. Yeah, I know we didn't post the past couple of weeks, but hey, man, we're still in this. Yo, I'm gonna show you what we did. All right? Oh man, it smells different. It smells.
It sounds pretty good.
You don't think so?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Woo! But anyways, man, so you might be noticing we don't got no ads on our videos.
Why, dude?
Yo, we lost our partnership with YouTube. I don't know if you guys keep up with the YouTube trends. You know how a lot of small YouTubers been quitting because they're not getting the ad revenue. We're not about that life. We've been here for long run.
For real, man.
Yo, we love you guys.
We do love you.
And we're here to stay.
Oh, we are?
Without further ado, if you guys like the video, please like this video, man. You know, it helps out. Subscribe. Yeah, man.
If you're feeling generous, maybe share it.
Oh, you right. We've also been doing some other things here. Jan will give you a little spiel.
Dude, lately we've been filming some videos. Shout out to the homie Shaq, dude.
This guy's an awesome dancer, one of our good homies, and yeah, man, we shoot some things on the side. Just not some YouTube vids. Yeah, man. So here's a little snippet.
It feels like I'm losing control.
Yeah, so I hope you guys like that one, man. We only show you a little snippet because we want you to check out his video over there, right?
For real, yeah. Notice that quality.
Hey, what's this video about again?
I'm done. Did we get some Yeezys?
Yo!
Whoa! But are they ours?
Yo, like kinda, yo. It's like we did, but like it's not ours.
Yeah, no, yeah, for real. But it's the first ones.
Yeah,
on this
it's
channel.
the first one on the show. That's pretty sick, man. I mean, it's chill. It's chill.
Yeah, no, for real, it's chill.
It's chill.
Yeah, it's whatever. Like, you know what I'm saying. It's just.
I don't know.
I'm like an ice.
Yeah, so we got these Yeezys here.
What are these though?
Oh yeah. Yo, Ralph, can you bring them Yeezys here? Yo, special delivery, man. There you go, bro.
Yo, thanks, man. Yo, I love Ralph.
Man, shout out to you, Ralph. Yeah, so I guess
I did.
first time we got Yeezys on the show.
Woo!
That's what the 350Z boost box looks like, guys. Eh? Right off the bat, y'all should know that I try to get Yeezy. Something flew my eye.
I did. Probably a fly though.
Right off the bat, we see it. The box.
You were saying something about you were trying to get these though.
Yeah, I tried to get these, man, back in December 16, 27. Hold up, wait, when these dropped? December
8 and 5 is 3, so subtract 1.
16, 2017. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to get them, man. That's where they dropped. And I took a huge L.
Ah, dude, yeah, because you were trying to get some Jordans at the same time. Yeah, this guy was like, yo, should I go back and take out some in the cart? And then I was like, dude, once you go back, you're gonna lose it.
We actually had the shoes in the cart, alright? And I was like, hold up, wait. I have a pair of Jordans in my cart. I'm not gonna go through this order.
Yeah. You didn't get them.
I clicked back and I tried to remove the Jordans. And then, no, you made a mistake. They gone, man. They gone, man. They gone. You know what the crazy part is?
He still bought the Jordans! What do you mean?
But hey, man, so, yeah. This is the Yeezy box. Pretty happy to see this here. Looks like somebody had like a little pizza and like...
Yeah, they were like...
Yo, look. 350?
What's that 350 stand for?
I don't know, man. That's the model of this shoe. It's a Yeezy Boost.
Oh, dude. It's
These
how
are
many days in the year they are.
Here's the front of it. Yeezy Boost 350. Yeezy Boost 350 V2. It's the version 2. 10.5. It's not her size. The rest is just cardboard, man.
Yo, are we actually about to open this up?
This is a monumental time for the Brosefiles.
This is an historic time. The first Yeezys to ever be seen on this channel. Oh my god, I can feel it. Oh my god.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Whoa!
got the Blue Tint
I don't even want to touch them.
Yeezy V2.
Touch them.
No?
No, I don't even touch them, dude.
Alright, we got the V2s here. You can see they're in the blue tint that we said.
Yeah, the Tide Pod.
Yeah. It's got this like translucent, kind of blue tinty off-white midsole. You know, we got those little like rivets going on. We have the Adidas logo engraved.
It's engraved, dude.
It's engraved, man. You can feel it. Yeah, you feel it.
Yeah, I feel it.
And at the very bottom, we also got that Boost logo because you know you got it super clean. It's satisfying to see Boost like this because after like one wear, man, that Boost is gone, dude.
Yeah, for real.
It's got this like, I feel like everyone's been knowing what like a Yeezy look like, so I'm gonna just like feel it.
That's a thick ass finger, dude.
We got red threading on the pull tab here. It's like an orangey, reddish stitching. I don't know, man. What matches this?
Oh yeah, for real. What is that though?
Yo, this is 053-YLPS. And for y'all who don't know what it means, man, it's supposed to be St. Paulo loves you. 350.
Days of the week.
It's got this like zebra, super soft prime knit upper, beautiful colors.
I'm
here.
feeling it.
It's stretchy, man. Like, look at that. That's some prime knit right there, man.
Yeah.
And then you got this like X stitching with very thick thread going all the way up.
Each X represents your X in life.
Yeah. Got this like white swoosh that goes across the lateral side of the shoe. It's actually also on this one here as well.
Across
The lateral side of the shoe. Here's a bird's foot, right?
Yeah, that looks like a bird.
Yeah, you got 1, 2, 3, was it claws? Right?
Yeah,
They're walking.
Yeah.
Yo, bird's gonna fall. No stabilization, but boom.
Ooh.
They got some inspiration here from a bird.
Damn,
Which is this. Yo, this little extra heel. You're never gonna fall on these dudes.
No.
So the inside, we got some ankle support going on.
Yeah.
Cushion on the left.
Oh,
Cushion on the right. And these will keep your ankles nice and secure, right? Because it's just
Nice
full
and
prime knit
tight.
upper, right? It's gotta be something that's secure. You got the 3 stripes to represent Adidas. Yo, I'm about that boy. You know, ASAP Ferg, shout outs to him because he's
A$AP
full
Ferg,
Adidas.
Yeah, he's on some level.
Another deal with Adidas.
Yeah, but this is nice. It's comfy, dude. I haven't worn it. I probably
Yeah.
won't because it's DS. It's not mine. So, you know.
Yeah, this sole feeling quite comfy though.
Oh,
like,
it's removable, dude. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yo, these things removable.
how'd you know, dude? Did you
I
just take a
just
gamble
pulled
in
it,
it?
yeah.
Oh, yo.
You can see the boost here, right?
Yeah.
This boost. And we got this nice insole here. It's nice and thin, but I'm sure it provides some comfort. We got the
Yeah.
Adidas logo going on there. You can look at this. I don't know if it's real or fake. You guys can legit check that. I don't know what
Yeah,
those
Brian,
numbers
we know
are,
you
but-
got it from China though.
Yeah, man. Yo, Alibaba Express.
Yeah.
Oh, lacing system. These guys don't got no eyelets. They kind of just like bash them through here. Yo, we forgot to get like some holes in here for the shoelaces.
Ah, dude, don't
Oh,
worry.
yo, you got something sharp, man?
Yeah.
Yo, your keys, bro.
Yeah.
Is that mine?
No, it's mine.
Oh.
Yo, we're matching.
Honestly, man, I thought the moment we got Yeezys, this shit's gonna be icy, but yo, this is not even ours, man.
Yeah, man.
I just want to give you the good, cause like y'all been like,
Yeezys though.
yeah.
Yo, should we plug in his Instagram handle since he did provide?
Oh yeah, all the girls get at him. He's single.
Yeah, he's single. Yo, let's just plug in his IG right there.
You guys follow yet?
Probably, I don't know.
Alright.
Whoa, dude. That was cool.
Yeah. Post a picture on Instagram, hashtag Brosefiles. We might feature you.
Yeah. Oh, word. That's
Yeah,
good. That's
yeah.
good. That's starting now.
I hope you guys like this video, man.
Yo, hit that like button.
right down there if you guys want to comment anything. And
Yeah,
just,
come
you know,
on,
comment
come on.
away.
If you ain't subbed, you know what to do. Hit that sub button.
Yeah.
And share this video, won't you?
Check out our Facebook page, Instagram
yeah,
handles.
yeah.
Just so you guys know, we're not a sneaker channel. Alright. We more than sneakers.
Yeah, we more than that. We're shoes.
I got OPA in my motherfucking vein, yo. I got Oka played in my motherfucking hand, yo. And my enemies, and they gon' bleed to death, yo. Wrist underwater and my chain on some Satan, yo. Now I'm getting killing myself. Let me know what the weather for my